Data migration can be time-consuming, but you can enhance your experience with proper preparation. Let's look at how to prepare for Intercom data migration. Before launching a data migration, take some initial steps. Start by adding the same teammates on Intercom as you have on your source platform. Then make sure to turn off email notifications. When you've done that, run the Intercom demo migration. First, log in or sign up for your Migration Wizard account. From there, choose your source platform. The app might ask you to provide the access credentials or sign in with your source account. To proceed, connect Intercom as your target platform by signing into your account. While doing that, select the appropriate workspace. Moving forwards, choose the data to import to Intercom. You can choose separate records or all at once. Once you've selected groups, you need to match them too. Click on Match Items to map groups. You can also choose a default group. Then match agents' profiles. The process is the same as group matching. You match agents' profiles and pick a default agent. When you're done, click Save Matching. Now let's move to ticket mapping. The source platform fields will be mapped to Intercom fields. You can map default and custom fields. Be sure to add the corresponding custom fields on Intercom to match them during data migration. Click on Save to apply settings. Then map article routes. When you've done that, choose the required automated option. When migrating to Intercom, you can add a new tag to the migrated tickets, migrate content translations. Other options like migrating inline images as attachments, skipping attachments, or demo with custom data depend on your source platform. If the required option is missing, contact our support team for additional customization. Finally, click Continue to initiate demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets and articles from your current help desk to Intercom during this data transfer. After completing a demo migration, you can view a table with 4 columns. All available records, migrated records, failed records, skipped records. Check the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. Once you open a report for migrated tickets, copy the source and target ID and compare the results. Do the same with articles. Click on the report and check if they migrated correctly. Afterward, choose the suitable support package and proceed to payment. Once your payment is successful, return to Migration Wizard. Then look through the checklist and click Start Full Data Migration.